Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter the meet room on Dress to Impress. Now, this actually was here a long time ago. It was placed behind this area in the the first summer update there was. And I used to hide there when my outfit was completed, so like nobody would copy my outfit. It was silly. I don't do that anymore, of course. The meet room was like gone, like disappeared, was like gone. The meet room disappeared. We call it the meet room, the red room. To enter it, just go to Lana Salon and head over to this area here. You're just going to go here and voila, you're here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.